Hey there, people. Well, it's Monday afternoon, about 4:30, I guess. Well, gotta go make some money, man. So let's go fucking scrapping. Just checked all the fluids in the truck. Antifreeze is leaking out a bit from the water pump. And yeah, strangest thing happened to me last night. I was sitting at the computer and I looked through my window and I seen my door open in my truck. I'm like, what the fuck? So I had another look. There was a chick in the laneway standing right about over there, and there was a chick inside my truck. So I'm like, what the fuck? So instead of sneaking out and catching him in the act, I yelled out my window, so they fucking ran off laughing like little girls. I really don't understand. I got nothing to steal in here. I don't know. They did go through my leather jacket in there. Well, whatever. Nothing's missing, so whatever. Nothing to steal, nothing to steal. Well, I'm right down the street from my house, and oh, I thought I seen a barbecue. Fuck you. False alarm. Yep. Back in the road rage mode. Road rage. Well, 10 more of those and we'll have something going. Microwave. Every little bit counts. Look at the junk they got there, some steel discs. Nobody's home, I don't think. Fuck, I might have hit the jackpot. I go knock. Yeah. There's not much steel in there, there's just that bed, but they're keeping all that shit. Oh well. Can't really afford it, but decided to get myself a treat anyway. I'm not waiting in line, that's for fucking sure. Score. Nice little stove. Let's load this bastard up. Every little bit fucking counts. Every little bit. There you go, let's go get some more. Steel is steel, right? There you mother. Well, as you can see, old habits are hard to break. I still can't get used to my friggin' cup holder. What's that over there? Maybe. Hang on. Hang on. I see something. What is that? What is that? Goodies, maybe? Let's go see. It's probably a fucking chair with my luck. What is that? A TV or some shit? chair. Of course. I swear, if there was money in fucking used chairs like that, I'd be loaded. Just about running out of road. Not quite a full load yet. Maybe this section here is going to be the lucky one. I know, tick, 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 tick. Tickety, tick, tick. Well, it looks like our shift is over. Better make sure to lock my doors in case those two chicks come back. I'm still confused over that. Well, at least I made enough for a 20 pack of cans for tomorrow, which is cool. Right on. Let's go inside for a beer. So that wasn't a bad day. Cold as fuck out though. Anyway, something like -20. It's always fun. Right on. Well, at least I made enough to get a case of beer for tomorrow. That's all that matters. Hopefully tomorrow night I get the same or more. Well, cheers. Hopefully it warms up for when 200M Monster comes down. He's supposed to come down in the last week of January, or here maybe the first week of February. We'll see. We'll have a blast. Show you a good time up here in Sudbury, buddy. Got the Jomo Kona involved. See if we can get that fire guy out there too. There's a few comments about me doing more scrapping videos, so there you go. I threw a little scrapping video. The little scrapping day today. Got her done though. Tomorrow will be a better day. Cat's trying to get in. JJ. I'll show you the size of this fucker. He grew since the last time. Come on, buddy. Come on in. Oh, he's gonna be camera shy for a few minutes. Where are you, little fucker? Look how big he's gotten. Monster. The other one you see on the video is Sweetie once in a while, the gray cat. She's something like 16 years old or something. He's the stray cat from the street. Right on, people. Later. Now you're rubbing on the fucking thing. Rubbing in the tripod. Motherfucker. I hate you, JJ. Just kidding.
Guys, on Thursday and Friday,
Sucked. Open cannage fail.